Looking for the most fun place for kids in Houston? Let me take you inside the Children's Museum Houston, where learning feels like play. Located in the heart of Houston, this museum is packed with hands-on exhibits, bright colors, and non-stop excitement for kids of all ages. One of the biggest highlights is Kidtropolis, a mini-city where kids become doctors, firefighters, bankers, and even news reporters. It's all about teamwork, creativity, and real-world skills. Parents love this place too. It's educational, engaging, and a great way to keep kids learning while having fun. Step outside to enjoy the eco-friendly outdoor exhibits, water play, and climbing areas perfect for burning off energy. For the little ones, Tot Spot is perfect, safe, colorful, and designed especially for toddlers to explore and learn. Love science? You'll find cool experiments, building stations, and interactive STEM exhibits that make kids feel like real scientists and engineers. If you're visiting Houston or live nearby, the Children's Museum Houston is a must-visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite exhibit.